Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs for virtual router setups under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your virtual router needs. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for virtual router use? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your entire network traffic passing through your virtual router stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so your devices connected via the virtual router never get exposed. And they've all had their no logs policies verified, meaning they don't track your connection details through the virtual router. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for virtual router setups. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for virtual router because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could target any device connected through your virtual router, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you securely link multiple devices or even friends' networks via a custom private connection. The one small negative? A limit of 10 devices at a time through the virtual router. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run the virtual router, plus all your phones, tablets, and smart gadgets all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy virtual router user can verify there are no backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a pledge, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable and reliable connection for your virtual router setup. And for users dealing with jittery connections, it provides a SOC 5 proxy for optimizing routing. This can help direct your virtual router traffic for potentially faster and more stable performance. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for virtual router setups? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means faster network speeds and smoother connections across devices sharing your virtual router. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance varies depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if speed is your top priority, you want the smoothest connection through your virtual router, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Go with IPVanish if you have tons of devices or a whole household relying on one virtual router. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're budget-conscious or privacy-focused and want proof-backed claims. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're using for your virtual router. See you soon.